Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the classification of senses based on the type of receptors. So the first one is the type of receptors, mechanoreceptors. So mechanoreceptors, it includes the patient corpuscles, the Meissner corpuscles, the P and the M corpuscles. Then it also includes the Merkel's discs. Merkel's disc, the Golgi tendril, and the muscle spindles. Next we move on to the thermoreceptors. Thermoreceptors, it is warm and also it is cold receptors. Next is the nociceptors. The nociceptors, it includes the free nerve endings. And then comes the electromagnetic. The electromagnetic receptors, it includes the rods as well as the cones. The thermoreceptors, there was warm and cold. The nociceptors, there's the free nerve receptors, nerve endings. Then the electromagnetic receptors, it includes the rods and cones. Then lastly we have the chemoreceptors. So chemoreceptors, there is olfactory as well as the gustatory sensations, the receptor of the aortic and the carotid bodies. Then comes the receptors are in the hypothalamus for the blood glucose. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.